Hi everyone, welcome to a crash course in distance learning. I wanted to give you a brief orientation of what your weekly assignments / interaction looks like on Google Classroom, especially if you're new to Google Classroom. Your homepage or landing page in Google Classroom is the stream. And the stream has announcements, little short thumbnails of assignments that have been posted, and you can check those or see those. You can also make, as you see, some comments here on the stream. Where you're going to find your assignments or your content or work is in the Classroom tab. Each week, you will see 3 assignments posted for each week time block. So you see here, week 1, we have the concept or the idea for week 1, which is the digital divide. So you'll see that assignment. You'll see some brief directions and then any links to videos or places that we're going to navigate. That is the asynchronous or the on your own part of each week. The second part, it says live. There is a weekly Google Meet. There are 3 offerings of Google Meets each week. You just have to join one of those. And those are for some sharing and collaboration with everyone in the district to kind of what's been working, what's not been working. Maybe you can get ideas from somebody else. Maybe you pick up a technology tool or a teaching strategy from someone that has been good. Kind of a share out, if you will, for each week. So those are the 2 things that everyone will be doing. The asynchronous, which is the on my own time concept or idea, and the synchronous or the live, and you pick one of those. Additionally, there is a third assignment each week, and that is if you're interested in taking this course for college credit or this PD for college credit. And if you are, you can look at that third assignment and there'll be an attached document to that as well. So each week it's going to look the same. There's going to be again, an asynchronous on your own time. Again, that should take about 20 minutes or so, 20 to 25 minutes. The live meet, which is going to be 30 minutes long. So we're hoping for an hour each week. I know that everybody is stretched thin and we're busy. We want to support you and give you some ideas. Think about some issues in continuous learning and distance learning. And then optional, if you do want college credit. Again, you do not have to do this if you do not want to, 100% completely optional. And each week, they're going to look like that. And that's in the classroom, the classwork tab. Those assignments will show up over here in the stream, but you can see them a little more organized over here in that block. Hopefully that helps you, especially if you're new to Google Classroom and you haven't ever used it before. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to email me or catch me on Google Hangouts. Looking forward to a great 5 weeks, hoping to support you, give you some ideas, give you a chance to collaborate and communicate with your colleagues about how this is going for everyone. Thanks.